Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about detoxing with colon therapy, one of my favorite topics. Bearing in mind that the equation for successful cleansing is awakening and releasing, we have to make sure that we thoroughly release everything we awaken. And the only way to ensure that that's accomplished is through colon hydrotherapy. Now, colon hydrotherapy, also known as colonic lavage or colonics, simply means that water is introduced into the colon through tubing and a speculum. That water enters the body and enters the colon, and simultaneously the wastewater is eliminated. So you have a continuous flow where fresh, clean water is entering, reconstituting the waste matter in the intestine, and the waste matter that's being reconstituted is flowing out into the septic system when you're having a colonic. Since we know the cleansing is only complete when the waste matter leaves the body, this is the best way to ensure that you have a successful, complete cleansing experience. So detoxing with colon therapy is, in my opinion, the only way to detox. So many people will go into colon hydrotherapy without having done the requisite awakening work through taking in lots of green juices and eating lots of raw salads and increasing the alkalinity in their diet. And that's simply not effective, because what happens is the body tends in that case only to release superficial waste, and very little at that, with lots of water. If you want to get to the deep waste, the meaningful waste that's going to transform your body and improve your health and equate to lasting weight loss, you want to make sure that you do the awakening part of the cleansing equation. So have lots of green juices, eat lots of raw salads, omit the acidic foods, the packaged foods, the processed foods, the fast foods, the animal products as much as possible. And then when you incorporate the colonics, you'll have tremendous results.